Everyone, and welcome back. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to transfer crypto from Trustwallet to Gcash. So there are some prerequisites before you can do this. The first is that you need to have a Trustwallet account with the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Then you need to have a Gcash account with a verified identity. Also, Gcash currently supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin for cryptocurrency transactions. So, check for cryptocurrency compatibility. Once you've checked through all this and you're sure you have it, then you can now follow the steps. Step 1 is to open the Trustwallet app on your device. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. It could be, like we said, BTC, ETH, BCH, or LTC. Next, you have to open the Gcash app on your device, tap on Invest or Crypto depending on your Gcash version. Tap on Receive or Deposit. Copy the Gcash wallet address for the selected cryptocurrency. Next step is to send the cryptocurrency from Trustwallet. By going back to your Trustwallet app, tap on Send or Transfer, paste the Gcash wallet address into the recipient's field. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Review the transaction, details, and confirm. Now it's waiting time. It's time for you to wait for the transaction to process and confirm on the blockchain. This may take several minutes to hours depending on the cryptocurrency and network congestion. So, the next step is to check. Open the Gcash app and check your cryptocurrency balance. The transfer cryptocurrency should be reflected in your Gcash balance. It's as simple as that. And it's important for you to note that transaction fees may apply when transferring cryptocurrency from Trustwallet to Gcash. And then cryptocurrency prices can fluctuate rapidly, affecting the value of your transfer. Gcash has terms and conditions for cryptocurrency transactions, including minimum and maximum transaction limits. By following these steps, you can transfer cryptocurrency from Trustwallet to Gcash. However, please be aware of the 3 important notes I mentioned earlier. Thanks for watching.